Gratitude is what we have into enough, and more, it turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, and confusion into clarity. A very warm and graceful good afternoon to one and all present here. It's my honor to stand before you on this significant occasion. Honorable Chief Guest, worthy guests of honor, luminary dignitaries, virtuous Chairman Sir, versatile Vice Chairman Sir, admirable Principal Ma'am, charming directors, most valued parents, respected faculty, and most important, our shining stars, our dads. Thank you everyone for your presence today. On behalf of entire Doon International School, I, Dr. Sarita Moza Kaul, Vice Principal Doon International School, am extending this heartfelt vote of thanks. First and foremost, I extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty. It is by His grace and blessings that we were able to organize and complete this grand event successfully. My heartfelt gratitude goes to our esteemed Chief Guest, Mr. Vikram Randhawa Ji, Honorable Member of J&K Legislative Assembly from Bahu constituency. We are immensely grateful that Sir spared his valuable time to grace this occasion. I extend my wholehearted gratitude to our second Chief Guest of the occasion, Mr. Javed Iqbal Ji, Honorable Member of J&K Legislative Assembly from Budil constituency. Respected Sir, we are highly honored with your gracious presence today. Thank you so much. From the core of my heart, I extend my hearty thanks to our guest of honor, Mr. S.G.M. Andrabi, retired Superintendent of Police and Joint Secretary, Indian Institute of Public Administration, J&K, for honoring the event. Thank you so much, sir, for blessing us with your valuable presence. I sincerely am grateful to our special guest, Madam Shazia Kausar Ji, for taking the time to join us today for this annual day function. Ma'am, really your presence has greatly enriched this event. Thank you for being with us today. Today we had an opportunity to hear all our esteemed guests, and this surely is going to encourage the morale of each one of us in our future endeavors. I thank all the distinguished invitees, respected principals, for kindly accepting our invitation. Thank you so much. Your presence has made this function more precious and memorable for the IS family. It is rightly said, the glory of a tree is in its crown, but its endurance is rooted deep in the unseen soil. I extend my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chairman Sir, who has always been the guiding force and true motivation for all of us to work tirelessly and sincerely for all the challenges coming in our way. Thank you so much, sir, for boosting our morale and believing in us. We always need your support and this encouragement. My heartfelt gratitude to our worthy Vice Chairman, sir, for gracing the occasion with his presence. Sir, under your valuable guidance and rock-solid support, Doon International School, Jammu has reached to the pinnacle of success. Thank you so much, sir. I owe a special thanks to our respected Principal Ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulates us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. Ma'am, your actions always inspire us. You explore the possibilities and help us to reach a new horizon. Thank you, ma'am, for always being our real mentor in all times. No doubt you are the heart of Doon International School, Jammu. My soulful gratitude to our dynamic directors, Mr. Lisan Ul Nabi and Mr. Ahsan Ul Nabi, for gracing today's function. Your visionary minds have been the cornerstone of our success. I am sure Doon International School, Jammu will flourish by leaps and bounds in the coming years with valuable suggestions. I extend my compassionate thanks to all the parents who have spared their valuable time and witnessed this fantastic program with us. Your presence has added a grace to the occasion. Dear parents, your support and encouragement plays a pivotal role in the success of not only this event, but also in every milestone we have achieved as a school. We are immensely grateful for your trust and cooperation. It is due to your support and love that Doon International School has traveled a successful journey, hoping the same love and unconditional support from your side in future also. Dear parents, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a dedicated team. I convey my heartfelt thanks and appreciation to our headmistress, Ms. Shivali Singh Pathania, Chief Coordinator, Mr. Surinder Singh, and coordinators, Ms. Avneet Kaur, Ms. Kiranjeet Kaur, Mr. Ved Prakash, Ms. Jasmeet Kaur, for their meticulous planning, teamwork, and attention to details. Your dedication and efforts have ensured the resounding success of this annual day function. Thank you for making it truly memorable. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our loving and diligent teachers for their untiring efforts in training the students for this mega event. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Thank you so much. My sincere thanks to our medical team, Dr. Kharu, along with Ms. Shashi Pandita and Ms. Kanta, who remained vigilant and on their toes throughout the annual day function, ensuring the safety and well-being of all. How can I forget our rock star DABs, who have presented a fantastic and marvelous show before us. You have really worked hard for this day, and it was evident in your acts. It is the result of your hard efforts that we have witnessed such a magnificent and fabulous show. Your energy and enthusiasm have made this day unforgettable. We are so proud of each one of you. My gratitude journey would be incomplete without acknowledging the diligence of those who worked vigorously behind the scenes to make it a majestic function. Thank you, Poonam, Pooja, and Nisha for grooming our anchoring team so beautifully. Special thanks and appreciation to our cultural team, our dance instructors, Ikesh, Sachin, music teachers, Diksha, Udesh, Shami, Marvin. You people were just amazing as usual. Without your grace and collaboration, this dream would not have come to reality. I would like to thank Manisha and Sunidhi for the best decoration, Bali sir for the best transport arrangements, Gurdeep sir for the all administrative lookouts, sports team, Harmeet, Nitin, Sohail, Sophia, Sumit, our technical team, Surbi, Sumit, Rukmani, refreshment team, Sumati, Pearl, Faryad, Kapil, Balbir, everyone who contributed for this mega event. At last, I would like to conclude with a Hindi poem that beautifully encapsulates the essence of determination, dedication and willpower. हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, सपनों से पहचान होती है, जो रखते हैं जुनून दिल में, उनकी हर मुश्किल आसान होती है। रुके नहीं जो राहों में, मंजिलें भी उनके कदम चूमती हैं। सच सपने करने वालों की दुनिया भी मिसाल देती है। आगे बढ़ो न रुकना कभी, हर नई सुबह नया रास्ता लाएगी। मेहनत और लगन की ये रोशनी तुम्हें सफलता तक जरूर पहुंचाएगी, तुम्हें सफलता तक जरूर पहुंचाएगी। With this thought, I thank you all once again and wish everybody great success ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.